Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the multinational organization that is a Quantium. And friend, you can see the internship is on the software engineering. So it is a very good opportunity for all the working professionals, freshers and the college going students and also candidates who want to make their career in the software engineering field. And friend, you can see here you will get this type of certificate and it is absolutely free and you can complete it online. So it is a very good opportunity for you. And friend, you can apply for this internship from any country. So we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn, how you have to do the registration, how you will get this certificate. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the college who is providing this Quantium software engineering internship. So you can see here the topic name is given, that is software engineering, in which you can see create a dashboard for client, solve foods to help them to track the profitability of their top performing candy bar as part of Quantium's financial services business. So you can see it is absolutely free and 150 plus candidates has already enrolled in this virtual internship program. So friend, you can complete this internship in 7 to 8 hours and it is a self-paced. Self-paced means you can complete according to your speed. So whenever you will get the free time like in the weekdays or the weekends, you can simply log in and complete this virtual internship program. And friend, it will also help you to stand out in your application to Quantium and you will also show the certificate in your LinkedIn profile and in your interview. So let's check about the first Quantium company. So friend, you can see here, the company was founded in 2002 and it has a long history of innovation in data science across all sectors of the economy. And it is a rapidly growing global leader in data science and AI, that is artificial intelligence. And they are dedicated to growing their team to ambitious, diverse and fun employees. And their employees work together to harness the power of data to drive revolutionary change that benefit us and deliver the best result for their clients. So you can see yes, through this program you will act as a software engineering at Quantum and take part in the challenging but fun work. And you can see here their software engineers do daily. In this program you will tackle relevant and exciting projects that will help you develop important skills while utilizing Python, then CSS, Dash and more. And after completing each module, you will be able to compare your work with real model solutions created by the Quantium team for a chance to learn directly from industry leader. So friend, these are the about these courses given. So quickly check the how you will learn and models. So you can see here, you can learn the task one, which is you can see here, which is on the set up your local development environment. So basically what will you learn? So you have to meet your clients, solve foods who have been a decline in sales on their top performing candy product. And how a software engineer at Quantium supports client to understand the impact of their decisions on profitability. Then you can see here, what will you do? You have to meet your supervisor, Priscilla, a software engineering at Quantium in the financial services business area, and set up your local development environment. So these are the things you have to do. So in the task 2, you can see which is around 30 to 60 minutes, and you have to do the data processing. So what data processing is and why it is important, so you will learn here. And what will you do? You have to meet your supervisor, Liam, a software engineer at Quantium. Then you have to perform some data processing to reorganize the data into a format that you can work with. Then you can see task 3 is given, which is on the create a dash application. So how a data set can be visualized in variety of different ways, generating a variety of narratives. Then what will you do? You have to meet your supervisor, Blaze, a data engineer at Quantium in the retail business area. And you have to create a dash app to visualize data in an informative way that answers your client questions. So let's check for the task 4. So task 4 is based on the improve your dash application. So what will you learn? Why it is important and valuable to design a visually pleasing user interface, that is a UI. So you have to do this, and you can see here you have to add a radio button to make your app interactive. Then develop a intuitive UI makes your dash app visually impressive by applying some CSS to each element. So basically this task is on the user interface. Then let's check the task 5. So friend, task 5 you can see here, it is on the you have to test your data application. So while good testing is important to avoid unintended consequences when making changes to code base, and you have to create a test so to verify your dash app is working as expected. So in this task you have to do the testings. Then let's check for the task 6. So you have to automate your test suite. That it is the bonus task, and it will take around 30 to 60 minutes. So what continuous integration is and why it is useful for developers. So you will understand in this task. And what you have to do, you will do the implementation of a base script which automatically runs the test suites. Then in the last you can see the test phase line is given. So you have to complete it. So friend, how all these virtual experience program works? So let's check it. So first you can see you have to complete task guided by the pre-recorded videos and examples answer from the team Quantium. So you will get this task from these modules once you enroll, and you can see after the completion you will get a certificate, and you can add it to your resume and LinkedIn. You can see this type of certificates you will get, and you can see here on the top you will get the logo of Quantium. Then your name will be given, and below you will get the internship topic name, that is even software engineering. Then what things you have learned or model you will be given on this certificates. And if anyone want to verify your certificate, they can verify it using the link at the bottom of the certificate. And friend, you can see it is an authorized certificate, so you did not have to worry. So and send this certificate will stand out in your application, and you can confidently answer in interview question and explain why you are good for fit for the team in this software engineering interview. So this type of certificate you will get. So friend, how you have to register? Before that, if you are not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses videos, internship opportunities, and interview related tips, and some educational videos. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will help us to create more videos for you, and friend, you will also get the notification earlier if you subscribe, so that you can enroll in the courses before it expires. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, I have given the link in the video description box. Once you open, then you will come to this page. So what you have to do, you have to simply, you can see here, you have to click on this start free program. You can see top right corner given. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click, then you will come to this page. So if you already your account in the forest, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on this blue icon, that is sign up with email. So once you click, then you will come to this page, and you can see here a small application form is given which you have to fill for registration purposes. So you have to enter your first name, then last name, then email address. You have to create one password which is consists of numeric characters. Then you are the freshers or the college going student, then you can high school, university or college. And if you are the student professionals, then you can select the career. Freshers also can select it. So after that, you have to answer one of the question that how did you hear about this virtual internship program. So you can, if you are watching this video, then definitely it will be YouTube, and other social media platforms are like you can see here LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube. So Google search, you can select it. And after selecting that, you have to simply click on this register, and once you click, you will be registered in this virtual internship program, and you can directly log in and complete this task and get these certificates. And friend, if you have any query regarding this virtual internship program, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.